Good evening, everyone. It is October 9th, 2017. We are doing a quick break, $10 break, 2017 Topps Triple Threads Baseball one box break, number 24, random teams. So this did sell out before I started the eBay break, so allowance says in stock, don't worry about that. This is number 24. Number 25 is in the store. So there's only 22 total spots. Some teams are comboed. So let's roll the dice. And we have lucky number 7 again. 6 and a 1, so that's 7 times on the list of names and the teams. 7 times 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 the final time. After 7 times, Scott Cooper, Last Ball Mojo at the top, Colin Matoyer at the bottom. There you go. 7 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. After 7 times, Dodgers right at the top and the Indians-Pirates combo at the bottom. So look at that, Last Ball Mojo with the Dodgers, Scott Cooper. So Scott, Last Ball Mojo, you got the Dodgers. John Baggett with the Royals-Rays. Don, you have the Red Sox. Cliff with the Astros. Jeffrey, you have the Brewers-Phillies. Darren McKenzie with the Mariners. Colin with the Angels. Chris Vike with the Angels. Travis, you have the Blue Jays-Rangers. Josh with the Nationals. Don with the Cubs. Scott, you have the Orioles. Mike with the Cardinals. And John Baggett with the Marlins-Athletics combo. Cliff, you have the White Sox. Jason with the Reds-Tigers and Rockies-D-backs combos. Jerry, you have the Mets. Scott with the Twins-Padres. John, you have the Yankees. John Baggett. Jared, you have the Braves, and Colin Matoy, you have the Indians-Pirates combo. Alright, guys, so I'm going to alphabetize this by team name first. Then we will copy this up. There we go. I'll give you guys about a minute or so if you guys want to make any trades. Alright, well, you know what? I'm assuming that no one's trading, or I'm not sure if anybody is really watching that's in this break. Pretty sure there's still a couple of people. So let's just close it. Don't see any activity. Usually I see it right away. Stick with what you got. And we'll generate a box for this break. There was 18 total to start off the case. And all the boxes are right here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. Here is the list of names in this break. Good luck. Last Ball Mojo Dodgers. So let's generate a box. And it is box 3. And that is available right here. Alright, these will be for future breaks. So here we go. Triple threads. So once I get done with this break, I'm going to take a quick break, about 10-15 minutes or so. I've been breaking for close to 4 hours now. Back to back to back. So take a quick break. And let's definitely push that hockey. That is the closest break on any website, so I do want to push that. Artifacts Hockey, full case break, 10 boxes. Pick your teams. And we'll go through the list of names and teams that are also available in that break. Or teams and hits. And we'll see who steps up and grabs spots into that break. All right. Lou Gehrig, 25 of 340. David Wright, 289 of 340 for the Mets. So we'll penny sleeve these up really quick. Frank Thomas, Chris Bryant, and Ted Williams. And then we have a Carlos Correa. That is 25 of 36. Triple relic. Houston Astros. Going to Cliff. And Charlie Blackmon, 36 of 50. For the Colorado Rockies. Rockies. Who was the Rockies? Jason M with the Rockies D-backs combo. There you go. Noah Syndergaard, 92 of 99 for the Mets. I've seen a lot of Mets today and a lot of breaks. Jose Bautista, 159 of 250. Blue Jays with that one. Joey Votto, Kenta Maeda, Byron Buxton. And we have a Trey Turner, 7 of 18. Triple relic as well. Piece of the bat, game used memorabilia, and the ink. Nationals. Who has the Nationals? Josh Schmidt. There you go, man. And for the Yankees, Unity Jumbo Relic card, Masahiro Tanaka, 16 of 36. Going to John Baggett and the Yankees. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Topps Triple Threads. This is a one-box break number 24. Number 25 is in the store. $10 breaks. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.